ZANU-PF political commissar Mnyaradzi Machacha has distanced the party leadership from the controversial co-option of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's close business ally, Kuda Tagwirei, into the ruling party's central committee, describing him as nothing more than a party supporter. Sadabena Mashoko Budapangwa Mnyaradzi Machacha throws Tagwirei under the bus is ZANU-PF factional clash over central committee imposition. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a heated interview with ZVAITWA's Zimbabwe, Machacha struggled to justify Tagwirei's elevation amid allegations of unconstitutional procedures and deep factional rifts between the mnangagwa and Constantino Chiwenga camps. Tagwirei's appointment sparked outrage both within the party and among the public, with critics accusing Mnangagwa of using ZANU-PF structures to entrench his personal and business interests. The controversial businessman, widely regarded as Mnangagwa's financial enabler and frontman in opaque fuel deals and state tenders, was co-opted by Harare province into the Central Committee, bypassing the constitutional requirements for long-standing and active membership. When pressed on the basis of Tagwirei's co-option, Machacha deflected. He has been a supporter of the party for many years, standing with the party through thick and thin. He fought hard to make sure the economy stabilizes, Machacha said. However, Chikanza challenged Machacha, citing ZANU-PF's constitutional and an internal circular dated 5 June 2025, which stipulates minimum qualifications for Central Committee appointments, including demonstrable leadership service and structural membership. Machacha refused to acknowledge the document, dismissing it as a from your own head, and failed to clarify whether Tagwirei met any formal party criteria beyond informal support. The controversy has reignited internal tensions in ZANU-PF, with the speculation rife that Tagwirei's forced inclusion was orchestrated by Mnangagwa loyalists and resisted by members aligned with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Chikanza hinted at previous incidents in which Tagwirei was ejected from the party meetings and suggested that his presence in formal structures continue to provoke disquiet in the Chiwenga function. Doma shukwarubuda pangwa ino pamsoro penao aiwa ya kuda kwashi Tagwirei. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi avena kuma section ino mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, you the bell icon.